Hiccups are like tiny jump scares for your body caused by involuntary contraction of the diaphragm muscle that can be annoying and sometimes painful. Here are 4 ways to stop them. 1. Try holding your breath for as long as you can. 2. Drink a glass of water quickly and without taking a breath. 3. Get startled or scared. Some people find that a sudden shock can interrupt the breathing pattern and stop the hiccup reflex. 4. Eat a spoonful of sugar or swallow a teaspoon of vinegar. This can stimulate the nerves in the throat and stop the hiccup reflex. Leave a comment down below to let us know which one works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in.